So Fede, yesterday I argued ukuthi to be a black Christian is to practice self-hate. Yangithola. So namhlanje ngifuna uku-expatiate kancane ukuthi kahle kahle bengithini mengisho kanje, yangithola. So ngifuna sikhulume nge-identity ne-faith, yangithola, because inkinga enkulu is because of i-identity not i-faith, yangithola. So athi mawafika ama-colonialist ne-religion yawo asithola siphansi kwesihlahla sithandazela ubani, uQamatha, uRamasedi, uMvelinqangi, uSikwembu, yangithola. Asithola siphezu kwentaba sithandaza uSikwembu, asithola siselwandle siyamthandaza uQamatha, asithola semfuleni siyambiza uMvelinqangi, yangithola. But to them umuntu othandaza phansi kwesihlahla is primitive, yabo, hayi ukuthi akana faith, uprimitive, bafuna siyemasontweni, yangithola, ukuthi ukuze uthole uNkulunkulu you have to go to a church, yangithola. Mesithi obrigado, mesithi Qamatha, mesithi Mvelinqangi abayithandi lento leyo, bafuna sithi Jehova, yabo. And that's not a question of faith. Noma ngangena phansi kombhede ngithi Qamatha, cela ungivikele, Qamatha, please give me strength. That's faith, nginethemba even though ngiphansi kombhede, yangithola. I don't have to go to a particular place ukuthi ngithandazele uNkulunkulu wami, yangithola. And uNkulunkulu uQamatha akusisilima, yabo. Ngeke azangenze ngikhulume isiXhosa, ngeke azangenze ngikhulume isiZulu, ngeke azangenze ngikhulume isiTsonga or iSepedi or isiTswana if akafuni ukuthi ngikhulume leyo language leyo, yabo. uNkulunkulu uhlakaniphile, yabo, and uyi-one uNkulunkulu. Just because ngithe uQamatha doesn't mean ukuthi uMvelinqangi akusuNkulunkulu. Just because ngithe uMvelinqangi doesn't mean ukuthi uRamasedi akusuNkulunkulu. The issue comes mengizofuna wonke umuntu azobiza uNkulunkulu ngegama eliyi-one, even if labo bantu they have different cultures, they have different identities, yabo. Because uNkulunkulu akusisilima, uNkulunkulu uhlakaniphile, and uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi mina ngikhuluma yiphi language, and uyangizwa ngaleyo language leyo. And kule language yami uNkulunkulu uQamatha, kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uQamatha. Akudingi ukuthi njalo ngithi Jehova ukuze uNkulunkulu angizwe. Mase ngithi Jehova sengikhuluma uNkulunkulu of a different identity, yabo. So inkinga has never been inkinga of faith. Basithola sinayo i-faith vele, basithola sinayo uNkulunkulu. Inkinga was i-identity, yabo. Ukuthi to be a black Christian you have to first reject this black identity. Kumele urejecte uQamatha, yabo. And umreject uQamatha, urejecta igama lakhe elithi Qamatha. And igama lakhe uQamatha, igama lakhe which uMvelinqangi, yabo. Abanye bayambiza ngayo uJehova, but that doesn't mean ukuthi mengazange ngathi Jehova angikhulumi ngayo uNkulunkulu, yangithola. That's why ngithi to be a black Christian is to first hate yourself, because you first have to reject yourself and your identity. Kumele urejecte uNkulunkulu ngendlela uNkulunkulu akwenze ngayo, and uNkulunkulu is never wrong, yangithola. But do you think uNkulunkulu makes mistake? Do you think uNkulunkulu uyenza mistake ukuthi thina simbize ngoQamatha nabo uMvelinqangi? uNkulunkulu bekafuna vele simbize ngoJehova, and kumele kufika abelungu bazosibonisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu kahle kahle uJehova kusuQamatha.